Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to customize the control center on your Apple Watch in watchOS 26 or later. watchOS 26 brings even more flexibility to the Apple Watch experience, and one of the standout features is the ability to perfectly customize the control center to your heart's liking. So instead of being locked to a default layout, you can now perfectly arrange, add, or even remove controls based on your daily needs. So whether you want quicker access to battery saver, flashlight, or Wi-Fi, or even workout modes, this customization feature ensures your most used tools are always just a swipe away. That said, let's get started. So first we have to press the side button on your Apple Watch to bring up the control center. And then you have to scroll down and tap on the edit button. After that, you have to tap on the plus button located at the top left corner of the screen, and then you have to scroll down to find the preferred control you want to add. Note that you can also add a third-party control to your control center, so choose the one that perfectly fits your needs. And if you want to get rid of any unwanted control, just tap on the red minus button at the top of the control. And once you have perfectly customized your control center, make sure to tap on the done button to confirm the action, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily customize the control center on your Apple Watch running watchOS 26 or later. With the control center customization, managing your Apple Watch becomes faster and more personal than ever before. By tailoring shortcuts to match your lifestyle, you'll save time and keep everything you need within easy reach. If you haven't tried it yet, head to your control center settings and make your Apple Watch truly yours. And I'll catch you up in the next one.